In this video, we're going to review everything about binder settings. As you can see, we've created a new binder called RV Trip. So let's go ahead and access the settings for this binder. In the top left corner, you'll see the binder name and also the binder description. The binder description is what gets sent to anyone that you invite to this binder, so be sure to be descriptive. Binder thumbnail is the cover image for the binder. The header background appears in this part of your binder detail, and the sidebar background appears and replaces the gray in the sidebar over here. Optionally, you can also add a logo. All of these are optional and not required to use your binder, but add a lot of life. Hiding the binder hides it from your view in binder overview. Perhaps it's a binder that you don't use that much and wish to hide from view. Go ahead and turn that on in that case. Since this is a new binder, we're just getting going on it, we're going to leave that turned off. Don't include on mobile is something that if you have a binder that has a lot of stuff in it and you don't want to download that stuff over a cellular signal, you can turn that on so it only accesses the binder when you're on Wi-Fi. The next three settings affect the layout of the left sidebar. You can turn these things on or off by just flicking these switches here. So go ahead and try it out right now. Pretty cool. Setting the binder color just applies the overall color of the binder that you see on binder overview. Transfer ownership is handy when you want to give ownership of the binder over to someone else. Delete binder is exactly what it says. So be careful when you use this and be sure to read all the instructions on the modal that appears when you click delete binder. And then lastly, we have collaboration settings. This is where you can invite contributors to come and share and view your binder. So let's go ahead and add a binder thumbnail. Go ahead and click that tile. Click select and upload photo, and we'll choose our thumbnail. A cropping tool appears with the correct aspect ratio. So you can go ahead and drag that and crop your picture however you'd like. When you're ready, you can either reset the crop, replace the photo, or crop and save photo. So I think I like what I have here, so I'm going to go ahead and click crop and save photo. When it's done cropping, it'll appear in your binder thumbnail area. Next, we'll add a header background. So repeat the process. Select an upload photo. We'll select our header, and then select the crop. Let's get rid of the yellow truck on the right hand side. Then again, crop and save photo. This was a larger photo, so it's going to take a little bit more time. And there it is. And lastly, we'll select a sidebar background. So again, for the third time, repeat the process. We'll select sidebar. And then again, the cropping tool is set to the correct aspect ratio for the area the picture is going to go into. So for here, we'll set the crop here. It looks great, so we'll crop and save the photo. Excellent. Since we can view our sidebar in binder settings, you see that the sidebar background is instantly applied. Next, let's go ahead and invite someone. So click the Invite Contributors button. Enter their email address, someone@email.com. So we're going to add them as a new contact. You can either copy the link here and send the invitation via text or iMessage, things like that, WhatsApp, or you can simply click the Send Invitation button. This will send the person you've added here an email asking them to join Doculife using the binder description that you have. That will tell them exactly what the binder is about and who it's from. So I'll go ahead and click the invitation and join Doculife. Contributors by default are given the write permission. Write permission allows them to upload their own things, look at your things, and download things. Other options are admin. Admin is one level above write. Admin is basically all the same rights that you have, only they cannot delete the binder. Only you, the owner, can delete the binder. But an admin can also invite their own contributors to contribute to the binder. They can add their things, they can modify your things, and they can delete things and download things. And then lastly, read. Read is the lowest available permission. So read, people cannot contribute their own things. All they can do is look at the content or download it. They cannot invite, and they cannot delete, and they cannot modify anything. So let's go ahead and switch this back to write. And that is binder settings. Let's go back and take a look at our binder now. You can see the header image has been uploaded. We've got our binder description here, our side rail image, and we're ready to start uploading.